Hello, today we're looking at collocations in sentences and I'm going to use the word break today. Hello again, my name's Margaret and welcome to Learn English with me. In the past videos we've been looking at collocations using the word have. Today we're looking at the word break. Break a habit. So let's look at the picture. Break a habit. You can see on the first month the lady's eating lots of junk food. She's quite large and she looks a little bit overweight. On the second month she decides to go running. The third month you can see she's lost a lot of weight and she's changing from junk food to eating salads and lots more healthy foods. Fourth month she's starting to do some exercises, and the fifth month you can see she has lost a lot of weight. So what is the habit that she was trying to break? Maybe eating a lot of food, eating unhealthy food and junk food. So let's see what break a habit means. To do something that you do regularly, especially something that you should not. So this lady, she should not have been eating junk food, and she did regularly eat junk food. That's why she was so large and overweight. So she broke, past tense, she broke that habit and lost a lot of weight. She had to break the habit of eating too much so she could lose weight. So there's that break a habit in a sentence. Different article, break the habit. Past tense, broke the habit. Okay? That's break a habit in a sentence. Next one. Break a bone or break your arm. Here's the picture. So you can see the picture is an X-ray, and the X-ray is of a broken bone. You can see it there where it's red, and you can see the break in the actual bone. Have you broke a bone before? Have you broke your arm? I know I have. I've broke my arm before. To fracture a bone and injure yourself. So to injure yourself, you fall down, you fall over. I fell out of a tree when I was younger, climbing the tree. I fell out of a tree and broke my arm. So a bone was fractured, it was broken. I had an X-ray today as I fell and broke my arm. So past tense, broke. Present tense, break your arm. Did you break your arm? It's a question. Okay, so that's how you would use break your arm or break a bone. Another question, have you ever broke a bone in your body? If you've got any answers to my questions in this video, please make the comments below and I'll reply to them. Here's the next collocation, break a promise. So you can see there's two fingers, normally the little fingers, interlinked. So that means you keep a promise. But you can see on the right there's the word promises with a break in the middle. So they promised something by linking fingers. Oh, I promise. You normally link fingers, but they obviously broke that promise, or to break a promise is to do the opposite. So you're not doing what you've promised, and it is the opposite of keep a promise. Let's look at keep a promise, break a promise in a sentence. We promised each other to stay friends. So that'll be the left picture. She broke this promise when she joined a different friendship group. Okay? She broke this promise when she joined a different friendship group. So that's break a promise in a nice sentence for you. Here's the next one. Break a window. Uh-oh. Break a window. To make a crack or hole in the window. I broke the window when I played football in the garden. Question: have you broke a window before? What happened to you? Tell me about how you broke a window. Use the comments below. I broke the window when I played football in the garden. Break someone's heart. Break someone's heart. So there's a heart. There's two people hammering at it. That's not actually what it means. It's just the illustration that I chose. It means to cause emotional pain or grief to a person who loves you. To break someone's heart. Here's that in a sentence. I broke my girlfriend's heart when I broke up with her and went with someone else. So that's as a girl's perspective. I broke my girlfriend's heart when I broke up with her and went with someone else. Here's the other side. My boyfriend broke my heart when he told me that he wants to end our relationship. Okay, so broke my girlfriend's heart. You can put the noun in the middle of it. Okay, so it's a separable collocation. I broke my girlfriend's heart when I broke up with her. Or my boyfriend broke my heart. So that someone is a my or a person's name. Okay? Has your heart been broken? Has someone broke your heart before? Let me know. Write in the comments below. Break the rules. Okay? This lady's breaking the rules. Continuous sense. Breaking the rules or break the rules. To do something that's prohibited by rule. So it's against. Something that is against a rule. The email said wear black for work. Why is she breaking the rules? Do you know why she's breaking the rules when the email said wear black? Yeah, look at what she's dressed in. She's dressed in all different colours. The rule is come to work wearing black. So she's breaking the rules. Break the news to someone. Okay, you can see a man there. He's looking very worried and concerned. To tell someone some new information, and it usually is bad news. It often is bad news. The doctor had to break the news to the family that their father was very sick. So the man's getting news to find out that his father's very sick. So the doctor had to break the news. Maybe you have to break the news to someone, telling someone bad news. Break even. There's a nice little chart to break even. It's to earn as much money as you spend. So if you're spending the money that you earn, you are breaking even. So the earning and spending cancel each other out, and the result is you have nothing left. After last year's loss, he hopes to break even next year and post profits after that. So he hopes to get level next year after a loss in sales. Hopefully we'll get to the break-even point and then he can start making a profit. Break loose. Oh goodness me, there's a dog. He's escaped from a restraint or confinement to break loose. The dog broke loose from his lead today and ran away from me. So you can see a dog's usually on a lead, and to break loose from that lead, he runs away. Break wind. Oh dear me. Break wind. Oh, that picture's quite a giveaway. Do you break wind? It's an informal way to say release intestinal gas. So it's releasing gas from our bottom, in other words. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to break wind. So usually we don't do that in a group. We usually go outside or to the bathroom. to break wind. I hope you found this useful today. Here, try this quiz. What collocation matches this image? Is it break a bone, break loose, or break a window? What do you think? Here's the answer. It's break a window, because the man's broke the window with his football. Thanks so much for watching today. If you did like this video, please give it a like and look out for more videos like this soon on my channel. Have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.